Congress ni Ojama Rahul Gandhi Kaisa Lukuthum Pandao Koksanani Thangwi CPIM ni Kwtal Mung Sakwlaikha Salo CPIM te BJP Thansakhe Wngkha Sakha. Abo haikena Salo Koksanani Thangwi Congress ni Ojama Rahul Gandhi Sakha BJP by CPIM Thansakhe samung khlaiwi tongkha aboni bagai borok ni Kwtal Mung Rajaka CJP kharai Congress ni Ojama Rahul Gandhi tamu Sakha faidi khanalayano tabuk lukuro.
Mr. Modi is controlled by President Trump. And the exact same way that Mr. Trump controls Mr. Modi controls the Chief Minister of Kerala. I want to understand why the CBI and the ED take action against opposition politicians, but do not take action against the Chief Minister of Kerala or the politicians of Kerala. I've got 36 cases on me. I've been interrogated by the ED for 55 hours continuously. Why has the ED taken no action on the Chief Minister of Kerala and his family? And the reason is that they are working together. In fact, in Kerala, it is not the CPM and the BJP. It is the CJP. Everybody knows that they are partners. And everybody knows that they are working together in Kerala to defeat the UDF. I also want to ask my friends, workers in the left front, a question. You call yourself a communist government. Please tell me what is communist about your government in Kerala today. This is the most corporatist government that Kerala has ever seen. It is against the interests of the workers. It is against the interest of small business. It is against the interest of the farmers. And it is for the interest of the biggest businessmen. In fact, I have a suggestion for them. Your name is Communist Party of India. Change it to Corporatist Party of India. At least stand for what you say you are.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.